In the raw, uncovering the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a phrase that can be as mysterious as it is evocative. In the raw. You might have heard it in movies, read it in books, or come across it in conversations. But what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we peel back the layers on this expression and help you understand how to use it like a native speaker. When something is described in the raw, it's being talked about in its most natural, unaltered state. This phrase can be taken literally, referring to uncooked food or raw materials, but it's also used metaphorically to describe an experience or a person that is stripped of pretenses or embellishments, raw in its truest form. For example, when a musician performs without any electronic aids or enhancements, they're playing in the raw. This usage highlights the authenticity and unfiltered talent of the performer. The phrase, in the raw, has an interesting backstory. Its roots can be traced to Older English, where raw was used to describe something in its untouched, original condition. Over time, this term evolved to encapsulate not just the literal meaning but also a broader, more figurative sense. It's this evolution that lets us use in the raw to talk about the pure, candid essence of life's experiences, which can be both beautiful and brutal without the comfort of modifications or masking. Let's see how this phrase works in various sentences. 1. The documentary showed life in the city in the raw. It was unscripted and powerful. 2. I prefer sushi because I enjoy fish in the raw. 3. His autobiography describes his journey in the raw, without omitting any harsh realities. By using in the raw in sentences like these, you can convey a sense of transparency and authenticity that few other phrases can match. You might be wondering when it's appropriate to use this phrase. While in the raw is versatile, it's best used in situations that involve exposing an underlying truth or fundamental state. It's important not to confuse this phrase with similar expressions that might seem related but have different meanings, like in the buff, which exclusively refers to nudity and is less about the metaphorical idea of truthfulness or purity. And that wraps up our exploration of in the raw. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this interesting English phrase and how you can use it to express the concept of something being revealed in its truest, most unvarnished form. Whether you're discussing food, art, or life itself, knowing how to use in the raw can add depth to your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep practicing, and stay curious about the many layers of the English language.